Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class of English literature. As I told you before, in my previous class, I will upload a video regarding the lesson what we discussed in our previous class. Half of the lesson we discussed, and as I told you, I will explain you each and every line. You have 3 stanza that I will explain you. Okay, hope you all are ready with your books. Okay, so hold a pencil and try to underline the words what I said. For example, I will say some word that you will underline, and sudden I will show a meaning, and that time you will note down the meaning as for given in your book, that means new words option. Hope you understood. So let's start the lesson. So as I taught you, this is the third lesson from your textbook, as you can say what we can English literature 1, and the name of the lesson is Indian weavers. Okay, so as I told you before, the meaning of weavers, the people who makes clothes. Okay, in my previous video or in my previous class I discussed about this. You can say as a tailor, but tailor are making small quantity of clothes, but weavers are making huge quantities, and they are using machines. Okay, so before we start this lesson, we will know about the author. Okay, so you can see this is the picture of a machine, okay, weaving machine. Now we will know about the author. The author, as I said you, Sarojini Naidu is an Indian poetess. Okay, not only poetess, is a great patriot, freedom fighter, and many more you can use. It's very less. So, and I told she was born in Hyderabad in a Bengali family, and Sarojini Naidu, also known as the Nightingale of India. And I told in my previous class I will send some assignments, and I not send due to some reason. I will send all the extra questions after completion my chapter, that means this lesson. After completion all the question answers, then I will give extra question answers, extra question answers. I will give that you will write later, or I will give questions, you will find out the answers yourself. That I will explain you later. Okay, so I said you she is known as the Nightingale of India, and his contribution to our country much more, you can say. Okay, so let's start the lesson. This is about Sarojini Naidu. So in our previous class we discussed the stanza, first stanza. As I said you, this lesson or this poem is very small but popular, and here the poetess described the 3 stages of human life. In the first stanza in the first stanza she described about the childhood. Each stanza carrying 4 lines. I will explain each and every line. Okay, so let's start. Weavers weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? And I told weavers here, the author here, the poetess addressing to the weavers. Now what? Now why you are weaving morning? Okay, why you are weaving at the starting of the day? That means morning time. And the cloth that what you are making or what you are weaving, why so beautiful? Okay, garment means cloth, and gay means is a bright color. Why bright color? That means the clothes what you are making or weaving, why so bright? And that also blue as the wing of a halcyon wild. What she compared? She told the clothes what you weave that looks like blue color. Not only blue, it looks like a bird. What the name of the bird? Halcyon birds. Okay, halcyon birds wing type it looks. Okay, as I said you, halcyon is the another name of kingfisher. Okay, so now the weaver replied to poetess, we weave the robes of a newborn child. What the weaver replied? The weaver replied, no, we are making the robes. Robes means clothes, or you can say garments. To whom? To the newborn child. That means the child who will born. Okay, for them we are making these clothes. Hope you understood. I explained this much only in my previous video, in my previous class. You can see here the meaning I wrote here. You can note down, and in your book also given page number 17, a small box given new words there, that meanings are words are there. You just write the meaning. Gay, bright, or brilliant, or colorful. Then halcyon, another name also you can write kingfisher, a type of bird with bright blue feathers. Now robes, as I said you, clothes you can say, or you can say garment. Let's move the second stanza. Now the second stanza, again same thing. Okay, so here in three stanza the poet is addressing to the weavers. Again, weavers weaving at fall of night. Now see what she told. Okay, so in first stanza she said in the morning time, and in first stanza she that the weavers told about the newborn child. I said you three stanza dedicated to the three stages of human life. So first stanza for childhood. Now the question asked by the poetess to the weavers. Now what? Now why you are weaving in the evening time? Fall of night, that means when night started, or you can say what, day will end and night will start. We are calling evening time. Now the author poetess asked what? Why you are weaving at fall of night? Be careful here. The question will come in the second stanza. Which phrase is used as a evening time, or a fall of night is related is dedicated at what part of the day? Evening you can write. Okay, so as I said you, at fall of night. Again, why do you weave a garment so bright? Again the same question asked by the poetess. Why you are weaving a bright clothes, and what it looks like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. What the meaning? I will explain you the meaning of plumes, group of feathers on a bird. I hope everyone saw peacock, and when peacock is dancing, that time you can see the feathers. Okay, so it looks like plumes. Okay, so the meaning of plumes, I hope you understood. Group of feathers on a bird. So like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. After that, the weaver replied to whom? To Sarojini Naidu. We weave the marriage veils of a queen. What the weaver said? We are weaving these clothes to whom? To the queen, or the person, the girl who is going to marry. Okay, the girl who is going to marry, and that time you can see a girl is covering his head. Okay, that is the meaning of veils. You can see veils means a cloth that protect the face. I hope everyone saw this. When a girl is going to marry, that time she is covering his face. That is the example, that is the meaning of veils. Okay, I hope and you understood what the weaver said. The weaver said we are making these clothes. That clothes means plumes of of a peacock. What the color? Purple and green. To whom? To the queen or the bride, you can say. Okay, so now you see the picture. This type they are making and this the covering things is called veils. Hope understood. So second stanza indicated at what time? The evening time. And what stage? The adulthood stage. Adulthood means the adulthood means the age where a girl will, a human, that means anyone going to marry. Okay, that is the second stage. Now we will move the third stage, or we can say stanza 3. Again, weavers weaving solemn and still. See here, weavers weaving solemn and still. What is the meaning of solemn? Serious. Okay, the meaning of solemn in a serious or a formal manner. What? Said, you can say when someone scolding you, that time what you are saying? You are, if you did something wrong, that time you know what type of face you are making, but that is different. So here again the poetess again Sarojini Naidu asked, who weavers now weaving solemn and still? Why you are weaving in a serious mood? What do you weave in the moonlight chill? Now see, in the second stanza she addressed or she told about the evening time. Now she told about the night. Moonlight chill, that means at night, you know, full of cold. So that's why she mentioned here, what do you weave? That means what you are weaving in the moonlight chill. That means that at the night, what you are weaving. And that also, what color? White as a feather and white as a cloud. Here no colors, only white. What? White as a feather and white as a cloud. That means full of white. Now the weavers replied, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. So, dear children, here the meaning of funeral shroud, that means when a person what we can say, when a person died, at that time, you know, the people are covering his body in a white cloth. That is the meaning of funeral shroud. I will show you the picture, just wait. Now write the meaning. Funeral shroud, a cloth that is used to wrap a dead body. I told you. Clear? So we will know the meaning of this stanza. So here the author, or you can say the poetess, told about the end of the life. Okay, what the end of the life? Death part. And the time, night. That second one, evening. First one, day. That means morning. Okay, so here the third stanza, what she told? She asked the weavers, why you are making your clothes in serious, and why you are making what you are making at the night time, and what you are making why like this color, everything are white. And in reply, the weaver said, we are making these clothes To whom? To the dead man. That means the person who dead. For them we are making these clothes. Okay, let's see the picture. You know, this is the dead man, and that type the white cloth they covered here. Okay, so I hope you understood. Clear? So again we will recall. So here the poetess discussed three stages and three part of the day. Okay, so first is our first stanza dedicated to newborn, that means childhood. Second stanza, listen, I am saying one. Second stanza to the adulthood, and the last stanza the end of the age. What we can say, old. Similarly, first stanza related to the daytime, that means morning. Second stanza related to evening time, that is fall of night, and the last stanza dedicated or the mentioned as a night time or cold, that you can write night chill. Hope you understood. Okay, and in my previous class someone asked me about fundrails routes. I hope his doubt cleared. Okay, because I showed the picture and I wrote the meaning also, and even I said also when a person died, at that time we are covering a white cloth, that is called funeral routes. Okay, so dear children, now your task, whatever the words I explained here, that you write in your book as per given space with its meaning. Okay, and this time I will give a new task. Whatever the words I said you, let's see, I am telling now gay, then robes, then veils, then bright, solemn, and funeral shroud. These all words you have to find out the meaning, and the word which you don't know, that means the word any word will come in between, you don't know the meaning, so you find out the meaning and write the synonym and antonyms. I hope in your previous class, that means standard 3, your teacher taught you about the synonym and antonym. Synonym, I'm saying in short, synonym related to same meaning and antonym related to opposite meanings. Okay, you try. If you are not getting, then leave, but if you will try, then better for you. And second thing, you have 2 questions in your book, clear, so that you write by your own. Okay, because after reading this stanza, clear, I will that means you will find out the answer easily. Okay, so and recite this poem carefully, because next class I will take a test. Okay, recitation test. In my live class I will take. Okay, or I will inform you what you will do. Maybe you will record a short audio and you will send to me. I will hear, then I will give marks. Okay, and next class we will discuss all the question answer whatever you have. Okay, hope I explained you well. If you have any doubt, then you can ask through my personal WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, have a good day, take care.